Dear students, in this video lecture I am going to explain the file. What is a file and what are the different types of files? What is the difference between text file and binary file? First of all, see definition of the file. A file is collection of related data stored in an auxiliary storage device, that is called hard disk or CD-ROM. A file is a collection of, in another way we can also define, a file is collection of records. Each record contains collection of fields and each field is a collection of characters. In general, see, a file is a collection of related data stored in secondary storage device or auxiliary storage device. A file is nothing but a collection of related data stored in the hard disk, what you call. So collection of related data in the sense, suppose I have a file, I have a text file. In this text file we have the information regarding a textual data. Suppose I have a document Word file. In this document we have contained a person resume also, and again I have a PowerPoint presentation as in a file. So now I have the information of my specific lecture in this PowerPoint presentation. Now in this file the information related is subject data. Suppose your file contains resume, the resume contains person details. Sometimes I can store the student data in a file. The student may contains the file contains several students information. Here in this time, each student data is considered as a record. Each record contains a field student name, student number, address, and so on. That means a file is nothing but a collection of related data stored in the hard disk, or I can say a file is a collection of records. Each record contains collection of fields and each field is a collection of characters. Now uh, we have two types of files. One is text file and another is a binary file. What is a text file? A text file is a file, it contains only character data. Non-character data types are converted into sequence of characters before they are stored in the file. So that means a text file is a file contains only character data. Coming to the binary file, a binary file is a collection of data stored in the internal format of the computer. That is, the data in the binary file is in the form of zeros and ones. Now I am going to explain what is the difference between text file and binary file. So coming to here, the first one, a text file is a file, it contains only character data. Next, a binary file is a collection of data stored in the internal format of the computer. Next, all data in a text file are characters, whereas the binary file formats may include multiple types of data in the same file. For example, your file may contain images and text data, and some part is videos also, some part is audio. That means your binary file is the combination of text, message, text as a message, and images, and as well as video, audio data. That means combination of all the things will be stored in one file called binary file, whereas text file contains only characters data. Now coming to here, when you store the character data in a file, so each line end with a slash n. So in a text file we can identify that how many lines are there. The line is end with a slash n. Coming to the binary file, there is no end line marks in the binary file to identify the line is ended. Next definition is, in text file, at the end of the file there is a mark EOF, end of the file mark. So using EOF I have to verify that the data have been processed completely. That means the data is end in the file or not, using EOF marker. Whereas come to the binary file, we don't have such kind of end mark to identify the end of the file in the binary file. Now some of the common extensions used for the text files. Coming to the web standards, HTML file and XML. If a file contains .html or .xml, extensions means dot, file name dot HTML, file name dot XML. If any file having the extension HTML or XML, similarly if your file extension is .c or .cpp, for example, all our C programs uh, files end with .c. That means if the file name having the extension .c, we identify that this is the C file name. Similarly, for C++ file, we have an extension .cpp. Similarly, java.java and so on. Document.txt.word. Configuration files CFG. So the files which are having these as an extension, we call as text files. Similarly, binary files have some extensions. So file name end with .mp4, mpz. These are the video files. If a file by seeing this .mp4, .mpz, you can say that that file is video file. Similarly, our mp3 is an audio file. If the file extension having that extension .exe, it is binary file. JPG, GIF, BMP, these are the extension of the file indicate that it is an image file. So these are the various extensions for the files to identify the file is a binary file. Next, any text file can be viewed or edited in any text editor. By using text editor, we can see the data in a file. Let us come to binary file. Always need a matching software to read or write it. So what are the matching software? Suppose we want to see video file, that means movie is a video file. If you want to see movie onto the system, you have a video software. So to support the software only, the corresponding video file have been opened. Similarly, audio files also we need separate softwares. Coming to the last one, the text file is read using fgetC, fputC functions, reading and writing. Similarly, binary files data is reading and writing using fread and fwrite. So these are the differences between text file and binary file. Later we will see what is a state or mode of the file, what are the different file modes or file states. The mode of a file indicates for what purpose we are using the file, either read purpose or write purpose or append purpose. The mode indicates that because a file can be used for two purposes only, either you can perform read operation or write operation. If you want to perform read operation, means we are going to read the data from the file. Write operation means we are going to write the data into a file. Write can be performed another way also, append. Append is also write the information onto a file, but if you are using the append information, already some data is there in the file. When you use the append mode, that means we are going to add a new information to the existing data of a file. So finally, we have three modes: read mode, write mode and append mode. By seeing the mode of a file, we have to know which operation we are going to perform on the opened file. So first one is read mode. If you want to read data from a file, the file must be opened in read mode. Write mode, if you want to write data into a file must be opened in write mode. Append mode, if you want to add data to the existing file, the file must be opened in append mode. So what is the state or mode of a file means? The state or mode of a file indicates what is the operation we are going to perform by opening the file, either read or write or append operation. This information is regarding state or mode of a file. So we have some modes. Read mode, we are using the symbol R. For write mode, we are using the symbol W. For append mode, we are using the symbol A. R means to read data from the file, W means to write data into the file, A means add the data at the end of the existing file. So we have same on the other operations. R plus means to perform read and write operation. R indicates we are going to perform operation read on a file. R plus means read and as well as write operation also, both you can perform. If your file is opened in using the symbol R plus, if you are opening your file with the W plus symbol, you can able to perform write and as well as read operation on that opened file. Similarly, A plus, if you are using the A plus symbol in open while you are opening the file as a mode as A plus, you can perform read and as well as append operation on the opened file. So these are the various symbols used to perform read and write append operations. Thank you. In this lecture I have explained what is file and what are the differences between text file and binary file, and what is a state or mode of a file. Thank you.